For the dumbbell RDL, it is all about the hip hinge, and it's the same mechanics as a barbell RDL. You're just going to be using dumbbells instead. So I'll briefly go over the mechanics for that and how you set up using the dumbbells. So you can either start with the dumbbells on a bench or you can start with them on the ground. Either one is fine. You're going to pick up your dumbbells, keep your back tight, get your feet positioned. I like to do about shoulder to hip width apart with my toes forward, but you can also play around and see what works for your body. Some people, they like to have their toes just slightly flared out. Either one is fine, whatever works for you. I'm going to make sure my back is tight, and I'm going to start at the top, just like a regular RDL. Big breath in. I'm going to brace my core, and then first thing I'm going to do is sit my hips back. I'm not going to think about bringing my torso forward, but rather my hips shooting back. So I'll show what that looks like. I'm going to stop just below my knee, using my glutes and my hamstrings to bring my torso back up. And I'm letting the weight drag across my legs the whole movement. I want to keep it as close to my body as possible.